I'm with Total Leather Gear. We've been restoring and maintaining and repairing leather around the United States for over 20 years. This short video is Leather 101, car leather. I'd like to talk a few minutes about leather, dispel some myths, and give some instructions on cleaning. There are basically two types of leather. A chrome tanned leather, which gets used on car seats, and a vegetable tanned leather, which we use on shoes and on saddles, belts. So this leather doesn't enter the picture on this video. When we're talking about a chrome tanned leather, it's soft and supple, but after it's been tanned, it doesn't have a coating on top of it. It does get dyed, so this is called a crust. It would get dyed inside a vat barrel or a vat dyeing process where dye goes all the way through. The next thing that would happen, it will go underneath spray nozzles, and they will spray a gray coating on top of it. After the gray coating is sprayed on, the clear coating will go on top of that, just like our leather seat that we're looking at right here. In other words, this little hide would be a finished gray color. Our leather seat in a car has a color coating on it, and then it has a clear coating on it. This is put on by the manufacturer. Our job is to keep this coating intact and in good condition on our leather seat. Leather seats will build up soil from jean dyes, clothing dyes, dresses. It will also build up oils from our legs. On your armrests, if they're leather, it can build up oil from your arms, and this harms our coatings. We cannot put oil back into leather. If we could take the seat cover off, we could put oil from the backside. Imagine me telling you, let me oil the metal on your car. You would know that wasn't possible. The same thing on leather furniture or on leather car seats. We can't oil the leather. There are two coatings on it, as we just talked about. Color coating, clear coating. Now our job is to keep this color coating and clear coating in good shape. If we keep it in good shape, it will last for many years. Some products have oil in them. They're not good for the leather. They soften the leather. Some products say spray directly on the leather. When that happens, the danger is that the coatings can actually drip, or the cleaner can drip and make the coating a different color. On the internet, they talk about different kinds of oils you want to put on it. They talk about 2 or 3 processes with sponges and water. They talk about saddle soap. They talk about, I even saw a video where you're supposed to steam clean your leather. You don't want to steam clean your leather. You don't want to put saddle soaps. You don't want to put Mr. Suds, 409, Mr. Bubbles. You don't want to use a harsh brush. Even if you vacuum your leather, you can scratch it with the end of the vacuum cleaner. So I'm going to show you a real easy way to clean your leather. If you find you have little particles of cookies from your kids or anything that may get on a seat, just smack it a couple times. That usually pops it right out. A product I like is a product called Leather Only. You can buy it on the web. In this case, we're going to use a white microfiber. The reason we use a white microfiber is because it will show us how much soil we're pulling off, and we will know when to stop. If you clean your seat, you don't pull any soil off, you don't need to clean it. So start by cleaning it every month or so. If you pull soil off, clean more often. If you don't pull any soil off, clean less. The great thing about this product is it has a real good cleaner in it. One of the reasons we don't want to use soaps on our leather is soap is alkaline, 9, 10, 11. The pH of leather after it's tanned is 4.5. It's acidic. So we may develop some minute cracks in our leather as years go by. We have stitching holes where the soap could get in. So we don't want to put soap on our leather because it gets in to the leather itself and actually damages the leather. It changes the pH from 4.5 to 9, 10, 11. So it damages the tanning process. What we're trying to do, as we talked about, is keep our coatings in good shape. The reason we don't want to clean with 409, Mr. Bubbles, anything that's harsh, is because we may pull this clear coating off. And if we pull this clear coating off, the secondary coating, the gray coating, is tacky. So we don't want to do anything to damage our clear coating. We want to strengthen our clear coating. So the nice thing about this leather-only product, what it does, is every time you use it, it strengthens your clear coating. It has a friction reducer that helps us slide in and out so we don't wear our coatings. And it has a very good cleaner, as we'll see. Very simple to use, one step. We take it and we rub it in circular motions until it disappears. And we check our cloth and we can see how much soil we pulled off. Quite a bit of soil. We keep turning our cloth over. We rub the product until it disappears. Very simple to use. You can sit on it immediately. So it strengthens the clear coating. Has a friction reducer that allows us to slide in and out easier. It helps us not to damage the coating. And it has a real good cleaner in it. That's not a soap. It's actually called a surfactant. Thank you for watching our video. Hope it helped.